Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install your most used Google apps to your Windows 11 PC. Okay, so to do this we'll go to Google Chrome and then we're first just going to go to Gmail. So if you're logged into your browser you can just click over here on Gmail. Otherwise you can go to gmail.com and then you can sign in. So the first app that we're going to be installing to the computer is going to be Gmail. So to do that we want to come up to these three dots, go down to More Tools, Create Shortcut, and then we want to open as window and click Create. So now you can see that you have a dedicated window for your Gmail, and if we just close out of that, it's also put a desktop icon over here. And if we come to our start menu, we've also got it over here. If we right click onto Gmail, we can pin to taskbar and that will add it down here. So every time we open up Gmail now, it's going to open up in a dedicated window instead of in the web browser with all the tabs. Now if you wanted to get rid of this, you can right click on Gmail and go uninstall, and this will take you to programs and features in the settings, and you can see we have Gmail right here, and then you would just come click on the app you want to uninstall and click uninstall. So we'll go back over to our Google Chrome and I'll show you how to install some other apps. So we can do this for things like Google Drive. So there'll be two ways to install your Google apps. The first way will be using this Create Shortcut option, but then some of the Google applications have this install button already set up for you. So we'll just click install, and this is going to do the same thing as the Create Shortcut. So we can see now, let's put a shortcut there and added it to our start menu. So we can go through and add a bunch of apps. Okay, so now we've added all of our apps that we use, and so now you can organize them on your desktop. And you can see that it's put them in here as well, and then anything that you use regularly you can pin down here. And if your apps don't pop up in here, you can just go to all apps and search through here under Chrome apps, and you can see all your apps listed here. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.